Welcome back to part 2 of Busch Gardens. Today we're exploring the park, some surprises with rides you won't believe, plus checking out the restaurants. Don't forget to subscribe. Behind me is a splash zone roller coaster. This is Shikra. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. But it splashes water, so if you stand right there, oh great, sorry. If you stand right there, then you're able to get splashed really bad. I'm gonna show you. But look at that, they're going up right now. Oh wow. Right up there. Oh no. Oh god. Uh-oh. This is one of the places that you have to visit. So basically birds are on the loose and you get to learn a little bit about them. They do have cups of food available so that you can feed them, but it's $7 per cup. They have signs everywhere showing you a little bit about the birds. So behind that door, right over there, you get to go inside and you get to interact with the birds. And then I'm going to try to zoom in on someone so that you can see it's a liquid. It's not seeds or anything like that. It's a liquid that they feed them. And everything has a net so that they don't fly out. They have water. And they're everywhere. They have some over there. Look, the lady's trying to feed them.
I have all now don't be mean to each other. That's good. You can share. Yeah, that's good. Now don't bite me. Just get some pudding.
And by the bird experience, they have a playground for kids right next door, but you have to come in through the other side. This is something that they have for Halloween. And when you compare it to the one in Disney, the one from Disney is a lot more elaborated. Here we have another ride, my friends, and this one has a 10-minute wait. If you want to grab a snack, you can do so here. All-day dining deal is $30 for a child and $59 for an adult. They also have a Starbucks. But as you guys can see, it's also closed. It starts at 2:30? Yeah, but 2:30 to 5 p.m. are the hours for this Starbucks. And then, yeah, this is the diner. And then over there, you get the package. Obviously, you could get the food. But there's not that many people here. There's nice AC, but that's about it. And like almost everything is closed. They have a section where you can come and get an icy. These are like Frosties. We have sodas, water. Self-serve. I wonder what they have. It looks like it's not working. I don't want to touch it. How much was this?
Like $9.
$9? There you go. Taste it.
Straw?
I don't think they have straws here. Is it good? $9. This is Fantopia, by the way. And for the lemonade, no straws available, only spoons. and yet they give you the lemonade in a plastic cup. And here, my friends, they have a Chick-fil-A, but you have to sit outside. That's the only downside. You can order inside, but it has outdoor sitting, which is not ideal. See? Congo River Rapids. This is one of the water rides. I'm not gonna get on it, but let's take a look. It's very hot right now. Even with the fan and with the sprinklers, it's not enough. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. So, as you guys heard in the beginning, this park was founded in 1959. It is about the same price when it comes to tickets as you would pay in Orlando. And this park is in Tampa, Florida. That's about an hour and a half from Orlando. It's within the same theme as Epcot, as Universal, but the only thing is that it's not as nice. It's still a great park, but it's not nice, and I'm guessing that is a river, and you fall through that, and you got wet. So this is the ride, and estimated wait time from what I can see here is about 30 minutes. Oh, they do have a lot of people there. This is typical summer weather in Florida. Very hot. And then here they have souvenirs. They have more rides towards that side. And I don't understand why they have the Congo River Rapids with an alligator with its mouth open on top. And under ride restrictions, I don't understand why that is, especially when they have a zoo here. And then, yeah, that's pretty much what they have on this section of the park. We have made it to Sky Ride. As you guys can see, Sky Ride right over there, right over there. And these are those little cars that I showed you earlier in the video, and they take you from this part of the park towards the entrance. And if you're not a card holder, then they charge you $5 per ride. You have to add that up, because if you eat food here and then if you pay for the ticket, which is already expensive, and you're coming with more people, then my friends, $5 to go and $5 to come back. It's more money, but I honestly think that you should just do the walking, and I honestly think that this should be included, because in Epcot they had it and it was free. And this is one of the water rides that they have. So basically you go on the little boat, and then it takes you above, and then when you come down you splash. Nice. That would be really nice with this weather. So for someone who likes roller coasters, this would be the ideal place, because it's only a 5-minute wait, and this is what the roller coaster looks like, the railing. So I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope that you guys loved the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me in the comments which one would be your favorite ride if you were to come. So now I want to give my overall opinion about the park. So I think when you compare this park to Universal, to Disney, there's a huge difference, because this park was founded in 1959 and it's reigned quite a bit since then. The rides look outdated. A lot of the rides are closed. They do have a zoo and they do have roller coasters, but it's nothing like in Orlando. It's nothing like that. I really liked that it's open and you get to see the animals and that little train ride. I really enjoy that.
even though there were things that I didn't enjoy, like I wanted to get the card to get from point A to point B, and that was extra. I had to pay around $5 for me and then $5 for Sandy, and that's honestly not worth it for me, because when I was in Orlando, I got that same service and it was completely free. I also didn't like that they were selling actual buildings within the park. That was like a big red flag for me. And then the souvenir shops, instead of having things that are for the actual park, which they did, they're selling stuff that you can buy at Home Goods and Marshalls. So that was a shock to me, because in Orlando they didn't have that. If you get the chance to go, I would tell you, come here. Maybe you find something that you enjoy. They do have roller coasters even though they were closed, but that's honestly up to you. I personally really liked Orlando, but you know, if you like this park better, then that's on you. I'm not saying not to come, I'm saying you should come for yourself and see. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. Please give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna have more videos coming up, so I will see you next time. Please subscribe. Bye.